Lou Bassanese with me for this hour. It was the Fed that ruled the market last week. That's the way it looked from New Zealand,
absolutely.
At least. Is it this week all about NVIDIA?
This is all about NVIDIA. Every time they report earnings, everyone makes it a national holiday, effectively. And I think the good news is we already know it's going to be a good report, because if you look at the Q2 reports from their biggest customers, Microsoft, Meta, Alphabet, they all reported better than expected AI spending. So that's going to translate into better results for NVIDIA. I think the key for NVIDIA this week is what their commentary is about China. Is there strong demand there? Are they going to find a way to sell around the bans and the taxes? What is their outlook on Chinese sales?
Is there any sign that AI is slipping?
Not one at all. In fact, I'll give you one data point that really jumps out to me. If you look at consumer spending, typically the engine of the U.S. economy, it's actually being rivaled now by AI spending. The last 2 quarters alone, half a percentage point of GDP growth has come from consumer spending, and half a percentage point has come from investments in AI data centers.
I've got to point out that stocks, when adjusted for inflation, have never been higher, ever.
Yes, it is getting stretched, the valuations, and as a stock picker, it makes it much harder, but it doesn't make me nervous now because the earnings growth has been very, very strong. Mag 7 alone, 25% growth for the last 2 quarters in a row. You're seeing the other companies reporting double-digit growth as we exit this year. So as long as earnings keep growing, that valuation will come down and it'll be relatively undervalued, and you can keep investing.
Memo to NVIDIA: do not disappoint.
Don't mess up,
no matter
please.
what.